Hey guys, this is Michael from digitalwretch.net and Happy New Year guys! And dahil New Year tayo ngayon, meron din si Honor bagong smartphone which is the Honor X9D. Their toughest smartphone. May bago na ulit. So, as you can see here, we have here the reddish brown na color which is their hero color. So, napaka premium tignan. So we have golden tint here sa sa frame, then leather yung back panel niya. So ayan. So alam naman natin na durable siya. So kilala naman siya pag nag-drenap mo siya. Solid nun. Buo pa rin ang screen and responsive pa siya. And what if we take stairs naman? Let's see kung maso-survive siya. So, let's see. Nakakatakot. But, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Not yet. Okay pa rin siya. But, let's see again. Medyo lakasan ko pa siya. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Buhay pa rin. Kahit nahulog na siya sa ganong kalataas na stairs. Medyo kinakabahan ako because alam naman natin yung screen pag nahulog sa stairs minsan nababasag na rin. But this with the Honor X9D, hindi pa rin. So, stay tuned guys. We'll be posting more updates about the Honor X9D and stay tuned sa January 9, yung launch nila. So, kita-kits. Don't forget to follow our page, digitalwretch.net, and see you guys on the next video.